Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this really natural but like very glowy makeup look. And if you guys are wondering, yes, I'm wearing a shirt, you just can't see it because my hair is blocking it, but I am wearing a shirt. So today's look was really easy. It only took me maybe about 15 minutes, which is 15 to 20 minutes, which isn't that long. Let me know what you guys want to see because I'm always open to whatever you guys want. And if you want to see how I got this really pretty natural look, then keep on watching. Starting off, I'm taking my e.l.f. primer, and this is the Blemish Control Face Primer, and it helps with any breakouts that you have. I mean, it doesn't help with the breakouts, but it helps with the redness, so I'm going to be using that. Now I'm going to be going in with my Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation. For concealer, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape and using this under my eyes and then putting it on any blemishes that I have to just cover them up. Now for contour, I'm going to be using my KKW contouring stick, and I'm just going to go ahead and contour my face. For blush, I'm going to be using a liquid blush today, and I'm using the color Orgasm from NARS. And I like to put a little teeny tiny bit on my brush and blend it out that way because it's very pigmented if you use a lot. Now I'm going to use my translucent powder with my beauty blender to just put this under my eyes. I'm not using a lot of powder today because it's going to make my skin look really dry and not glowy at all. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my Too Faced bronzer, and I'm just going to put a little bit on my face to just contour a little bit. I don't want to make it too powdery. Now for my eyebrows, I'm just going to go ahead and use my Anastasia Brow Wiz and do my eyebrows. Now for eyeshadow, I do like to go in with a bronzer and just use that on my eyelids because it's a pretty natural look and it's just easy when you have to be somewhere. Now going in with my Milani palette, I'm using this goldish white color, and I'm going to pop this in my inner corner just to give it a little bit more of a pop to my eye. Now I'm going to go ahead and curl my eyelashes and put a coat of mascara on them. Now for highlighter, I'm going to go in with my Becca Champagne Pop and literally just put this everywhere. Now for my lips, I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay 24/7 lip pencil, and then I'm also going to go in with my Becca lipstick.